Alright, I'm probably looking crazy, but it's like 3 in the morning. And we're looking inside the mirror.
In the morning.
Well, it's like 2 in the morning.
It's like 2 something in the morning. We're still awake and we're just taking it out the fridge, so we're gonna try it.
What do we got out the fridge?
We have some ginger ale original.
Try it.
All natural.
I tried it. It tastes
he
like.
tried it already. He said it tastes like nothing.
It tastes like.
It does not smell good. I mean, it smells a little good.
It tastes like soda without a flavor.
It tastes like soda without a flavor. So it's my turn to try it. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm scared to try this. Okay, so I'm gonna if I don't like this, I swear to God, I'm just gonna grab something random from the fridge and drink it. What is this?
It's not that. It has water, but it tastes like fridge. Like it was in the freezer, so it tastes like frozen water.
That's still good.
Freezer.
So if I don't like it, I'm just gonna get the water.
Alright.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Why am I scared? Joshua, come try this. Yeah, come try this.
We still got the bubble tea.
Come on. Come on, now he's recording on here.
No.
Okay, let's go show like it is. Let's try it. Come on. Is it good? I don't know, I'm gonna try it. And digital recording, let's try it.
It's supposed to be a fridge thing. Y'all like all the way over there.
On, look.
It's supposed to be a fridge thing. Like we're obviously looking through the fridge.
Come on, bro.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, that was nasty. It wasn't nasty because it's not a good soda. It actually is a good soda, but it's like all the little spirit, quote unquote, left, so it tastes so flat. It just tastes like water and sugar.
Alright, what I'm gonna try now is
water and sugar must taste nasty.
Alright, now I'm gonna try the grape. Now that's normal. That's good.
Yo, y'all got chicken wings in here, bro? With Chinese.
Yeah, that's from our Chinese food. And we have some McDonald's left.
And like, damn. Kids are blessed.
And I'm going to...
God, dude.
I'm going
You're supposed to say it.
I'm going to show y'all something. And I'm going to try it. Some caramel.
Alright, that's it. After this session, this game is over.
No, hold on. Let me try the caramel.
I gotta wake up at 6 in the morning. More like be ready at 6 in the morning. Did you already try it?
No.
I don't know why that looks nasty.
Alright, ready?
Indubeca. Indubeca. Come on. You gotta How does it smell?
It smells good and it's good. Oh guys, I'm gonna actually try it this time.
Yeah, that's how you know she's Dominican. She said it smells good.
And it tastes good. Right, don't play with me. I'm Dominican. Alright, I'm gonna try it now. Oh my knee. Ow. Alright.
Did you eat it? Did you taste it? Yuck. I knew that was gonna taste not so good.
No water.
No, my fault, bro. I just got
Bro,
up
that's
from bed
disgusting.
just to get something. And now I'm like,
Bro, that's too
I'm out here
sweet.
looking crazy.
I need a grape. That's too sweet.
Yeah.
No more?
Excuse me.
Sure.
Excuse
Alright, he's gonna try grape.
Alright, that's it. Time to go to sleep,
No.
guys.
I have one more thing.
Alright, so she was too scared to try the Canada Dry.
So instead, I'm trying this big marshmallow. The big marshmallow. This is almost the size of my hand. Alright.
Whoa. Throw that out. Please. Making me want to take a No. I felt it. My stomach said, say, go to the bathroom. Yeah.
Let me try.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.